Android phones and tablets aren't all kept up to date with the current version of Android. It's often helpful to know which version of Android a specific phone or tablet is running so you can get help with something or determine whether a feature is present. This information is available in Android's system-wide settings screen. Whatever version of Android you're using and whatever customization your device's version of Android has, you should be able to get to it in the same way. Step 1. Open the app drawer, the entire list of apps installed on your phone. It's almost always a button at the bottom of your home screen, in the center. Step 2. Scroll through the list of installed apps and look for an app named Settings. Tap the Settings icon to enter Android's system-wide settings app. Step 3. Scroll down on the settings screen and look for an About Phone, About Tablet, or System option. You'll usually find this at the very bottom of the main settings screen, under System, but depending on your phone it could be different. If you do find a specific option for System, you can usually find the About Phone underneath that. Step 4. On the resulting screen, look for Android version to find the version of Android installed on your device, like this. That's all. Please do subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook page.